Example number 7. Find any 10 rational numbers between minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8. Here minus 5 by 6 and here it is minus 5 by 8. You have to take the LCM of 6 and 8. You will get 24. So here as denominator you have to make same. So what if you multiply by 6 you will get the 24. If you multiply here by 3 and 8, by 3 to 8 you will get the 24. So now the denominator is same, and upside it will be the minus 20 and upside here will be the 15. So minus 20 by 24 till 15 by 24, and you can see on the number line, minus 19 by 24, minus 18 by 24, minus 17 by 24, minus 16 by 24, up to 15 by 24. You can have many type of rational numbers here, and you can give the answer of any 10. Another method, let us find rational numbers between 1 and 2. This is the other method. Here it is 1 and here it is 2. So in between it will be the 1 plus 2 by 2, that is 3 by 2. That means it is 1.5. Now you have to add here in between 1 plus 1.5 by 2 is equal to 2.5 by 2, that is 1.25. So here it is the 25 by 20. Again here 1 is there and here it is, you can add and divide by 2. So let us find rational number between 1 and 2. One of them is 1.5 and or 1 and 1 by 2 or 3 by 2. This is the mean of 1 and 2. You have studied mean in class 7. We find that between any two given numbers, we need not necessarily get an integer, but there will always lie a rational number. We can use the idea of mean also to find rational numbers between any two given rational number. Example number 8. Find the rational number in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So we find the mean of the given rational number is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 in bracket divided by 2, and the value is 3 by 8. 3 by 8 lies between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. This can be seen on the number line also. We find the midpoint of AB, which is C, represented by 3 by 8. We find that 1 by 4 is smaller than or less than by 3 by 8, and 3 by 8 is smaller than 1 by 2. If A and B are two rational numbers, then A plus B by 2 is a rational number between A and B, such that A is smaller than A plus B by 2 and A plus B by 2 is smaller than B. Using this formula, you can get the mid value of any two given number on the number line. This again shows that there are countless number of rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Example number 9. Find three rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. As given in the above example, the mean is 3 by 8. That is 1 by 4 is smaller than 3 by 8, and 3 by 8 is smaller than 1 by 2. We now find another rational number between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. For this, we again find the mean of 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. Here you can also find the mean value of 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. Here in your book, it has been given that in between the 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. So 5 by 16 will be there. So now 1 by 4 is smaller than 5 by 16. 5 by 16 is smaller than the 3 by 8, and 3 by 8 is smaller than 1 by 2. You can see on the number line also. Now find the mean of 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. We have 7 by 16. Thus 5 by 16, 3 by 8 and 7 by 16 are the three rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. This can clearly be shown on the number line as follows. In the same way, we can obtain as many rational numbers as we want between two given rational numbers. You have noticed that there are countless rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Now exercise 1.2 you have to solve. And what we have discussed, what have we discussed? This is the summary of this chapter, and chapter is over.